Hi everyone, it's Jess here from Savvy Apple, and today I'm going to answer the question, what is an interactive PDF? These are super popular right now in the education world, but you might be wondering, what on earth are these things? So as you can see, they're interactive. There's buttons throughout the activities that guide you through the concepts. A lot of these interactive PDFs are self-correcting, which is great because it gives the students immediate feedback on what they're learning, and it prompts them to just keep trying until they get it right. So that's nice. The other thing is they can be shared easily with students, families. You just send them the PDF file and then they can store it onto their device, and they don't need an internet connection to actually play the activities and games. It's just to download it. So after that, you're all good to go. No battles with Wi-Fi, and that about covers it. If you're interested in more quick tips, subscribe to my YouTube channel, or visit savvyapple.blog.com, and I will help you out. So thanks for joining me. See you soon.